Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and today you find us out in the Swedish countryside. Now, why are we out here, I hear you ask? Well, we're about to dig out two cars that have been in storage for a very, very long time. So the car we're going to be looking at today is the Saab 96 from the 1960s. And also this Ford Model A Tudor from 1929. Now both of these cars haven't seen daylight for a very long time, so no time to waste. Let's get them on the trailers, strapped up, and get them back to the depot.
Alltså, du går och på Sweden Live, va? Alltså, det är det. En sån, va?
Everything loaded and secured, so let's hit the road. The Saab 96 was produced between 1960 and 1980 and was the successor to the Saab 93. If we take a look at the engine, it's a 2-stroke 3-cylinder, around 841 cc's, connected up to a 3-speed manual transmission. Looking inside the car, we have this white leather and red cloth combination. No signs of wear or tear on these seats. They're in very, very good condition and very fresh. For more information on this car, you can go to Bilweb Auctions, where you will find all the details very shortly. Now, on first glance, this car comes to us looking in excellent condition, inside and out. If we take a look inside, the seats look like they've been possibly reconditioned and in first class condition. If we take a look at the engine, well, that's where you find a 3.3 litre, which gives you around 41 brake horsepower, I believe. Whether or not this car is in running order, that has yet to be determined. The wheels on this car look in excellent condition all round, also the spare on the back. For all information on this car, go to Bilweb Auctions, where all the details will be listed shortly. So there you have it for another show. 2 more cars rescued from a storage unit, brought back into the daylight, and soon to be on auction. The link for the auction is in the description, so if you're interested in the cars, they might not appear when you look at it now, but they'll be appearing very shortly. And don't forget to stay in touch with the show to find out when these cars go under the hammer. Once again, thank you very much for watching and supporting the show. Don't forget to tune in next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.